So you can see we have a variety of different cultures set up here, including our molds that are growing in these little plates and in this tube here. And we've also got some yeast cultures that will be streaking out so that we can take a look at them, because while they are fungi, we do treat them a little bit like bacteria. We've got a variety of different things set up over here. These plates are known as Sabouraud's dextrose agar, and they contain a whole bunch of sugar that is going to allow these molds to grow up really, really well with plenty of energy so they can reproduce. Notice we've also got our bottle of ethanol. This is not for drinking. This is actually because the mold spores that we get on these cultures have a tendency to float off when you're sterilizing your loop. So we dip our loop into our little beaker full of ethanol there when we flame it, and that helps to keep the chances of the spores floating around and contaminating other things. In this little area right here, I've got the supplies set up so that we can actually set up our riddle slides here, where we're going to be able to look at our mold growth microscopically. And yes, these are the most important tool available for a microbiologist, bendy straws here. And then on over here, we have what are known as chrome agar plates. And these are some plates that are actually used to grow up different types of pathogenic yeast and other kinds of fungi that are out there. And we can test them because this is a selective and differential media. It's selective because it contains antibiotics that are going to kill off your molds that are out there. And it's differential because it's actually going to have an ingredient added that, depending on which type of fungus you're looking at, they will produce different products that will give different colors. So that ingredient that's added brings out differences in the molds that we're actually going to be able to see, and we can use that to distinguish the biochemistry and give us an idea about what kinds of things that we're looking at there.